totally amazed at how calm he's being in the new environment. Again, considering he's a high content wolf dog, you know. Look at that. Picture him by the fall.